Your girl's eating a salad. Bam. Cheese. Cheese. Chicken. Leftover chicken. Raspberry vinaigrette because I'm fancy. Because I'm what? Because I'm fancy. And some soft bacon bits. Tomato. Ooh, these tomatoes are real ripe. And I don't want to throw it away. We're gonna eat it. You know, tomatoes are not my favorite, so when they get this way, not moldy or slimy, just super ripe. It's like soft. I can't stand it. Ugh, and my knives, it just really accentuates the fact that my knives are just not sharp. They're just not sharp enough. Oh yeah. I have got to get a phone holder so you guys can see what I'm doing in case you want to see what I'm doing. I mean, I'm making a salad. You know how that looks, so I guess you're using your imagination right now. Yeah, that looks really good. That looks really good. Now, maybe I can turn the... Let me just turn it. You're all up in my nose. Hold on. We're gonna use this, yeah. We're gonna use this. Drench it, girl, drench it. It doesn't matter. This is vinegar. It's vinegar. It's red wine, vinegar, and honey, literally. I didn't shake it up, but yes, it's good. It's great. It's wonderful. Now let's see about these cheeses, because wait, yeah. Cheese is next, and then the bacon bits, right? Oh, the bacon bits of love. Girl, I burst into song at will. I don't know what kind of cheese this is. Don't ask me. It's a white cheese. Grab a white cheese, put it on a grater, and grate it up. It looks like Asiago, but don't hold me to that. That's a lot of cheese. Okay, then don't put that much in it. All right, putting a little more. This is another cheese. That's a lot of cheese. Okay, well don't put, don't put, you've been slapped and warned. Don't put that much. I'm sorry, it came out of me. I had to slap you. You were in my business. Here you go. There's your salad. Without bacon. Without bacon. Now we're just gonna add a few little bacon bits. And I'm getting excited for this salad and for this summer, you know? Why is it turning into a mukbang? But it is. What are you doing? Now, I'm looking forward to the day when the salad I'm eating, some of it I grew out, outside my very door. My very door. That's the day I want to see. Because these grocery prices and the way they be 1, 2, 3 adding up. Oh, you know, let me get a little sip. Get your salad, get your lunch together, girl. We're here. We're locked in. This is lunch. Oh, because I miss having coworkers and sitting with them and discussing the things of my life, you know? So you guys are gonna take that place. I hope you don't mind. I'm really locked in. Look, girl. I wanna, like I said, do some projects around here. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm going to look for something to do this summer. I have applied at the library, I don't know how many times, but those people won't call me back, you know? It's delicious. What'd you bring? Oh, girl, that looks delicious. Did you make that? Girl, I'm acting. This is acting. Act with me. Oh my God. What are you doing this weekend? It's Monday. Girl, it doesn't matter. What are you doing this weekend? I just miss it. I miss just sitting around kikiing with your coworkers while you sip and eat and talk about your lives and whatnot. You know, the books you're reading, the TV shows you're watching, you know. I know what goes on in those offices around the world. I'm not there, but I know all. I was part of that world. But now I'm Ariel out here on the sea of life. On the sea of life, girl. Tossing and tumbling around. Oh. That's a good salad. I think I'm gonna go sit and enjoy it now. Now that we've had our mukbang, I'm gonna excuse myself and go. That's what I used to do. I used to eat my lunch at the table where people can come and conversate. I go conversate with others. But when I get up, when I'm done eating, and you see one of these, no. When I get up and I'm done eating, I used to go out to my car so I can be alone. Read a book, take a nap. That's back in the days when you get a whole hour lunch. You could sit down and enjoy your life a little bit. Because you're at the job for how many hours out of a week? 40 or more. Girl, take a break. That job can wait. Take a break. That job can wait. I should put that on a t-shirt. Copyright that. Copyright that. Take a break. That job can wait. That's a motto. You should really take all your PTO. If you got PTO now, my question to you is why? Is it already booked? Is it already booked? Leave me a few notes in the comments that lets me know what you're doing this summer, what salads you'll be making, what you're putting in them. Maybe give me some ideas. I do have strawberries and I do have some walnuts up there. Oh, that sounds good. I should have did that with this. So many salad ideas. And it's the perfect time, you know. Summertime is when they have so many, hopefully, sales on produce. You know, just get into the produce of life. You know what I mean? Get into it.